Hello viewers, my name is Falco. I'm a professional skateboarder and I've also been a skateboard instructor for 20 plus years. Today I'm going to teach you 5 easy to medium difficulty mini ramp tricks. I'm going to show you and give you some tips. Let's get into it. The first trick, which I think is really important to learn, is backside 50-50 grinds. First you're going to do a backside axle stall. After that you're going to do the same trick except take it on more of an angle. Alright, let's go through it. We've got the backside grind. Now you can try backside grind to fakie and backside grind on pool coping. The next trick I want to teach you is similar but a little bit more difficult. It's a frontside 50-50 grind. Just like the backside grind, you're going to do frontside axle stall first. Once you have the frontside axle stall down, then do the same trick at more of an angle, thus the frontside grind. Let's go through it. All right, we've gone through the frontside grind. If you want to scare yourself a little bit, you can try a hard one. It's not so much hard as it is scary, but the frontside 50-50 grind to fakie. The next trick we're gonna do is a rock and roll. I'll be honest, I'm not the best at them. I can do them and they feel good, but if you want to see somebody that's really good at it, you'd have to go to somebody like Lance Mountain. He was my inspiration for learning this trick correctly. I'm going to show you the beginner way to do it, and then I'm going to show you the proper, fun way to do it. All right. We've done rock and rolls, we've done backside grinds, we've done frontside grinds. The next trick I'm going to teach you is kind of a 4-parter. It's 4 tricks. It's tail stall front revert, tail stall back revert, nose stall back revert, nose stall front revert. The reason I'm teaching you this is because it's a basic trick that's really scary at first, but once you learn it, you can just explode from there, and the possibilities are endless. You've got the nose stall and tail stall reverts. Now I'm going to show you 3 tricks just to get your mind thinking about what's possible after that. And then finally, we're going to go through the last trick. Give me a second, I'm going to think about it and see which one I should teach you guys. The last trick I got for you is a kickflip to fakie. It's definitely more of an intermediate to advanced trick. The first thing you're going to do is do some ollies to fakie. I'm just going to show you one and then we'll move on. Once you feel comfortable with that, then go for the kickflip fakie. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I've got a bunch more trick tips on my channel, like barley grinds and stuff like that. I really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and like the video, comment. You know the deal. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you later.